Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling General Motors stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into General Motors. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 30, 2024, our system has identified General Motors as a strong buy candidate with a score of 6.51. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 1.7%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.85% per day since being labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 35.53% over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 26.01% and 39.3%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted -13.34% change over the next year, with a potential return between -43.41% and -13.34%. This suggests a price range of $21.96 to $33.63 after 12 months. Our latest update for General Motors brings some positive news: green day on Wednesday for General Motors. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the stock price of General Motors increased by 1.7%, going up from $38.15 to $38.80. This marks the stock's 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if it can continue this upward trend or if it will take a small break in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $38.13 and a high of $39.75, showing a 4.25% variation. Out of the last 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions, resulting in a 10.83% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 27 million shares on the last day, with a total of 30 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.18 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for General Motors stock was $43.63, while the lowest price was $26.30. Currently, the price is 11.07%, or $4.83, below the 52-week high and 42.27%, or $28.41, below the all-time high on January 5, 2022, when the price reached $67.21. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Benchmark gave GM a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, January 30, 2024, Goldman Sachs also rated GM as a buy with a hold action. UBS also gave GM a buy grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Meanwhile, Wedbush rated GM as outperform with a hold action on the same day, January 30, 2024. Moving back in time to Thursday, November 30, 2023, Goldman Sachs again rated GM as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given General Motors stock a general buy rating. They have assessed the PE ratio as neutral and the price to book as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for General Motors. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for General Motors stock. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms the buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $36.09 and $35.66. However, it's important to note that a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 12.2% rise so far. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance. On Friday, January 26, 2024, the stock had a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet. It is often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was observed 10 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for General Motors. General Motors has found support from accumulated volume at $38.15. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. When it comes to trading this stock, it usually sees good volume and experiences minor daily price changes, which makes the overall risk considered to be low. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $1.62, 4.25%, between its high and low points. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.68%. Before we explore potential trading levels for General Motors, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio might suggest that the market has low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled to be released on April 23, 2024. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for General Motors. When it comes to resistance levels, we don't see any significant barriers from accumulated volume above. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume as it may indicate when it's time to exit. On the downside, General Motors faces its first support level at $38.15. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, General Motors has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 31, 2023, Joanne C. Kravoizerat, an insider, purchased 92 shares of deferred share units, DSUs. On December 31, 2023, Joanne C. Kravoizerat, another insider, bought 9,367 shares of deferred share units, DSUs. On December 31, 2023, Wesley G. Bush conducted an insider purchase of 382 shares of deferred share units, DSUs. On December 31, 2023, Wesley G. Bush made another insider purchase, buying 10,808 shares of deferred share units, DSUs. Anil Busri, on the same date, conducted an insider buy of 151 shares of deferred share units, DSUs. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 86.154. Overall, insiders have purchased 13,305,239 shares and sold 604,962 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $37.57, which represents a decrease of 3.18%. This stock is known for its low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 9 days ago. Is General Motors stock a good buy? General Motors shows several positive signals and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate General Motors to open up by $0.0933 and begin trading at $38.89. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts as well. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest trading insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.